students, my name is Videsh Nagaraj. I am from Manavara. So last class we are discussing about a topic from 10th standard, that is area related to the circles. In area related to the circles we already discussed about area related to the circles and areas of sector of an angle, area of a segment, major segment and minor segment, and length of an arc. And also we discussed about some of the problems based on area of a sector. So let us move on to the next type of problems. Yes, let's have the first problem of this video here. So in the solution we have a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter, that is radius of the circle is given, subtends right angle at the center, that is chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter, and angle is given 90 degree. So from the right angle at the center, then find the area of corresponding minor segment and major sector. So here we have AB is a chord and made up from the radius of the circle, that is radius is 10 centimeter it is given, and between two radii there is angle is formed, it is nothing but 90 degree, it is nothing but a quadrant of a circle. And then we have to find the minor segment and the major sector. So if we have to find out the major sector or a minor segment, so particularly in segment, so when you have to find out the segment, firstly we have to find out the sector. If it is here we have to find the minor segment, that's why we have to find out the minor sector first, and then we have to find the area of this triangle as well. Then here we have to find the major sector, for that also minor sector is needed. So we have to subtract minor sector from the complete area of the circle, so we are getting major sector. So firstly you have to find out the minor sector to find out these two. So for finding minor sector we want angle theta and the radius r. So if we have that one we can find out easily. Yes. So firstly we have to find out the minor sector. For that some of the given things is needed. That is, what are the given things here? That is r is equal to 10 centimeter is given and theta is equal to 90 degree, it is already given. Then we have to find out the area of the minor sector. Yes, area of minor sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Is equal to, what is the value of theta? It is 90 by 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10 r square. I will write it as 10 into 10, and just observe 90 by 360 I can write like 1 by 4. So quadrant of a circle is nothing but it's a 1 by 4th of the complete circle, so that's why we can write it as 1 by 4th of the complete area of the circle. And then just simplify it, 2 and here it is 5 and into 1 and 2 into 5, that is equal to 3.14 into 5 into 5, it is nothing but 25. So then let us simplify. 25 into 4 it is 100, 10 remains, 25 into 1 25 plus 10 35, 3 remains, 25 into 3 75 plus 3 78. After two decimal place we have the decimal point, so just place the decimal point here, then it is centimeter square. That is area of the minor sector. It is area of minor sector is equal to 78.5 centimeter square. For finding minor segment, what we want here? Triangle. That is AOB triangle. Just observe this AOB triangle is right angle. So right angle we have at the between, at one angle is 90 degree. So that means it's a right triangle. So that means here we can use the area of the triangles half into base into height. So for that, so one we can consider it as height, another we can consider it as a base. So that easily we can find out that. So using the formula, that is area of triangle ABC. Triangle AOB is equal to 1 by 2 into AO into OB. Yes, so according to the triangle already you know that. So this one triangle you consider me, this is the base and this is the one side and this is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is not a base. That's why this one we can consider it as one as the base, one as the height. Both the values are same here. That is, those two are radius. Those two are radius. Those two values are equal. So that's why those two we have to consider. Yes. So is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 into 10 is equal to 1 2 into 5, that is 50 centimeter square is the area of triangle AOB. Then we have to find out the other required things. That is, first is the minor segment. Yes, firstly minor segment we have to find out. Minor segment, for minor segment is equal to minor sector minus area of triangle AOB is equal to, what is the value of area of minor sector? The 78.5 minus area of triangle AOB is 50. So by subtracting this one we are getting 28.5 centimeter square as the minor segment. So we got that is area of minor segment is equal to 28.5 centimeter square. Then let us move on to the next one, that is second one. For finding major sector we have to find the area of the circle first. That is, area of the circle is equal to pi r square, that is 3.14 into r, it is 10 into 10 is equal to 10 into 10 means 100, that is 314 centimeter square. Then let us move on to the next one. It is major sector. Major sector is equal to pi r square minus area of minor sector. Okay, here area of minor sector is equal to, and here also this is area of major segment and area of minor sector. This here we have to write area of, and here also we have to write area of. Area of minor segment is equal to area of minor sector minus area of triangle AOB. Here area of major sector is equal to pi r square, it is area of circle minus area of minor sector is equal to 340 minus area of minor sector, it is 78.5. So we have to subtract it. So here 14, so here it is 14 means here it is 6, then okay, so 0.5, so we have to subtract here, then it is 0.5, so we have in here, then here actually 3 means 13 minus 8, actually it is 5, then 30 is 23, 235.5. So you can check it by adding this 78.5. So definitely you are getting 314. So you can check it. So here 5 is 0 and 1 remains, and 5 into 1 6, it is 14, and 1 3 2 7 3 10 plus 1 here, and 1 remains, and 314. Here is the right answer. So is equal to the area of my major sector is equal to 235.5 centimeter square. That is area of major sector is equal to 235.5 centimeter square. Yes, using the formulas you have to find out all these things. That is, what is the requirement to substitute that formula. So that one we have to know, and that one we have to find out. Then we have to solve these problems. I hope you understood this. So let us take the next problem. Take the second problem. So here we have circle of radius 21 centimeter and arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find length of an arc, area of sector formed by arc, and area of segment formed by chord. Here I am not wrote any diagram here, so without any diagram we have to analyze the condition. So that firstly let us start from the first one, that is length of an arc we have to find it. For length of an arc we want radius of the circle and the angle theta. Here it is given radius is 21 centimeter, angle is given 60 degree. Only you have those two things means we can find out easily. Remaining things are known. Yes. Let's start from the first one. So this is length of an arc. The length of an arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi. This is the formula to find the length of an arc. Yes, is equal to, so it is 60 by 360 into 2 into, here it is pi, it is not given. Pi it is not given means use 22 by 7 and this 21. And here 7 into 1 and 7 into 3 and 16 to 1 and 16 to 6 and 3 into 1 and 3 into 2 and 2 and 2 getting cancelled. That is the answer is remaining, it is only 22 centimeter is the length of an arc. Here it is, we got the value of length of an arc, the first part is completed. Then we have to move on to the next one, that is area of the sector formed by the arc. So let us move on to the second one, that is area of sector. Area of sector, we already know that this is pi r square, it is theta by 360 into pi r square. Simple, just substitute the formula and apply all the known values, that is whatever the radius and the theta it is given, so just substitute it. That is 60 degree divided by 360 into pi is 22 by 7 and r square is 21 into 21. Both the time I am writing here. It is 1 and 6 into 6 here, then 7 into 1 and 7 into 3, 3 into 1 and 3 into 2, and 2 into 1 and 2 into 11. After cancelling, it remains 11 and 21 is equal to 11 into 1, 11, 1 remains, and 11 into 2, 22, 1, 23. That is 231 centimeter square we have here for area of the sector. We got the area of the sector formed by the arc using the formula and using the given things. Enough. Then let us move on to the next one, area of segment formed by the arc. Area of segment formed by the arc, for that we need area of the sector and area of the triangle. Area of the triangle also it is need, so that's why we have to find the area of the triangle. Just observe, it is given that 60 degree at the center, it forms 60 degree at the center. Both the sides are equal and both the sides is nothing but it's a radius of the circle. It is understanding. So here it is, there is no any diagram. Without any diagram we have to analyze, we have to imagine the diagram here. That is, if an angle of this triangle forms a 60 degree means what about other? That is, here for example, here it is given, that is triangle inside the circle and here it is 60 degree and it is given, it is already we know that this is the angle between two radius, both the radius are equal. So both the radius are equal, it's nothing but this is an isosceles triangle, this is an isosceles triangle. So the theorem on isosceles triangle states that the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. The angles opposite to the equal sides are equal, these two are also equal. So that means here it is 60 degree, then the sum of these two means 120 degree. When it is possible, when both the angles are equal, so then it is nothing but 60 degree and this is 60 degree. So that means it's a equilateral triangle. So this is a equilateral triangle here, and we have to apply a formula to find the area of the equilateral triangle here. That is, area of triangle, we don't know what is the triangle, so we can take it as OAB. So that means AB is the chord, is equal to, that is, already we know that OAB is a equilateral triangle, so that means we can use the area of the triangle, that is area of the equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 a square. So this is the formula to find the area of the equilateral triangle, standard formula. That is root 3 by 4 into a square is nothing but 21 into 21. That is the side. Here it is radius. Then let us move on. This area of triangle AOB. Triangle AOB is equal to root 3 by 4 into, so here it is, we have to multiply 21 square. 21 square is nothing but 441. 441. You can multiply this 21 into 121. 1 2 remains, 21 into 2 42 plus 2 44. Yes. So it is not possible to simplify. After if you want to simplify, you are getting decimals. And no need, here we have area of triangle AOB, and then we can move on to the next one. It's the area of segment directly. Area of segment. So this is the third one. Area of segment formed by chord is equal to, we have to subtract area of triangle from the area of the sector. That is area of sector minus area of triangle AOB is equal to, what is the area of sector we got? 231. 231 minus, so area of triangle it is root 3 by 4 into 441. So I will remain this as it is here, centimeter square. 231 minus root 3 by 4 into 441 centimeter square. You can simplify it. So if you simplify it, you are getting the answer. So it may be in the decimal form you are getting. So you can simplify it and you are getting the answer. So this is the next part is yours to find out the answer here. I hope you understood this. Let us have two homework here. So here we have a chord of a circle of radius 15 cm subtends an angle 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segment of the circle. Firstly, find out the minor segment by using the formula, and then you can find out the major segment by subtracting this minor segment from the complete area of the circle. Then a chord of a circle of radius 12 cm subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding sector of the circle and length of the arc. Length of the corresponding arc you have to find out. Using the formula you have to find those things. So I hope you understood these things. So those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can get the notification of our channel very easily. Also hit the like button. Thank you and all. Be safe and stay home. Thank you.